Greetings and salutations, your average rider here. Let's talk side stand springs. Here's an example of a proper side stand spring. I just kick it back a little bit and it springs right up. And then there's proper tension and it wants to stay up. And here's the spring I need to change. It's very loose and there's no tension. I am concerned about hitting a bump on the road and having the side stand fall back down. Not only have I witnessed somebody riding away without putting the side stand up, resulting in dumping the bike when turning a corner to the left, but I am also concerned about the side stand falling down enough that the engine kill switch is engaged. Well, that was a lot tougher than I expected it to be. I tried a carabiner clip, totally stretched it out, destroyed it. Tried a key ring, also stretched it out, destroyed it. So after being at a loss for a few days, I decided to splurge and spend the $8 to get a spring plier with a hook. So there's a spot on here that you put on your pin and you're able to twist it and pop the spring off the one end. And then when putting it back on, you hook the spring on here and you're able to pull and you'll have some leverage. Sorry I didn't record myself doing that as it was pretty tight under there and difficult to get a proper angle. But the spring now works much better and I'm not concerned about it anymore. If you find that your side stand spring is starting to show signs of being loose and worn out, then it's probably about time to change it as well. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let's talk side stand springs. Say that 5 times real fast.